ngima makare.
Doma male County ma Homa Bay no dhi nyime kod winjo bura makwedo loch mar Gladys Wanga kawuono chieng' ngeso ataro mar kaka chenro mag doho hinyo bedo. En gima nokawo jopiny gi buok kaluwore ni doho hinyo ga tiyo mana e kor juma kende to ok giko odira. Kata kamano, jodak ma Homa Bay orwako chenro makamano ka giwacho ni biro miyo burano itieko mapiyo piyo. Kanoloso kod TV mar Ramogi mana dakika machuok kende kapok chenro mar winjo burano chakore, okil Makidero okwe achando opako jang'ad bura maduong' e burano kuom chiwo thuolo makamano.
Given the timelines, because the determination on election petition by this court must be done within 6 months and not beyond. So that time constraint allowed also the Chief Justice to determine the sittings of the election petition courts in the whole country.
If the court has decided to do its proceedings over the weekend, then it's by the court of law.
It will hasten the case, and I think this is one of the best things that has ever happened, because it's taken a long time in determining petition cases, so that and that makes the work, say, particularly the county, slow down. So the faster that this case is determined, the better. So I quite agree that this is a good progress, and this needs to be done. I think there are a lot of other things that we've had are going to happen, and like the gubernatorial petitions, I think for the first time is not going to go past the Court of Appeal. That is what I think. And I think that is one of the best things that the Chief Justice has done. No, it's a wonderful thing. It's a wonderful thing. Yeah. I mean, to save on the time of, those who are working, if it is proven right, fine.
Very awkward that we have a case running on a Saturday or a weekend for that matter, and especially for this zone of Homa Bay where most of the people are from the Seventh-day Adventist Church. But it has forced us that we have to attend this session because we think that this is going to hasten the justice in the ongoing petition in Homa Bay County. So we are in agreement that whatever the case, it is proper that we should have it running throughout.